Hi everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial with Dr. Techno. In today's video, I'll be showing you an incredibly useful command line tool called Nmap, which works across macOS, Windows, and Linux. Nmap is a powerful, open source tool, and it's completely free for you to download and use. However, this awesome tool is not activated on your device by default, and you have to install it on your device. You can access Nmap by running the command man nmap in terminal, which will guide you to the official n-map.org website for downloading and installation instructions. Alternatively, if you're using Mac OS or Linux, you can install it via Homebrew. I have included the Homebrew command in the video description. Just make sure Homebrew is already installed. If it's not, check out our another tutorial that walks you through the installation process for this amazing tool. Before we dive into examples, let's talk briefly about what exactly Nmap is used for. Nmap is one of the most comprehensive and accurate network scanning tools available in IT world. IT professionals rely on it for port scanning, host discovery, security auditing, and vulnerability testing. Whether you're performing a simple port scan or using Nmap's advanced scripting engine for malware detection, this tool is a must-have for any network admin or security specialist. Keep in mind, Nmap can also be powerful enough to launch denial of service or DOS attacks, where hackers overwhelm a website or network, slowing it down or taking it offline completely. While this is a negative use case, it's important to understand the potential and capabilities of this tool. Nmap can also be used as an ICMP ping sweep tool. If you're on a Windows machine, you can download and use the amazing free tool called Advanced IP Scanner, but on Mac OS or Linux, you can simply use the Nmap command to identify active IPs within a specific VLAN or subnet. Now, let's jump into some practical examples. I'll begin by demonstrating how to use Nmap for a ping sweep, the most popular and essential use case. This command will show us how many IP addresses are assigned within a given subnet, and even help us identify MAC addresses if we need to reserve DHCP IPs. I've connected several devices to my network for this tutorial, so let's run the command and wait a few moments for the scan to complete. While we're waiting for the results of our first test, let's move on to our second command, which uses Google's malware check feature. I'll run the following command provided in the video description and choose a well-known website, such as apple.com, for the check. As expected, no malware was detected on this website, and port 80 is the only open port, commonly used for HTTP connections on web servers. Now, if you want to save the output to a file without needing an FTP server, you can do so easily by adding a greater than symbol to the nmap command, followed by the file name. For example, I'll run the command again on my IP address. As you can see, the results have been saved locally on my computer in the file called output.txt. Now, let's go back to our first test. As you can see, the scan has completed, and we've got a list of IP addresses. Based on the /24 subnet that I have provided, Nmap scanned 256 IPs in my network and returned their corresponding IP addresses, MAC addresses, and port statuses. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll find Nmap a powerful tool for your work. I'm sure there are so many other ways that you can use Nmap as a handy tool in the future. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to support the channel, and have a great day.